In 1990, a group of Indiana high school students entered into an innovative and unique educational environment, which had never before existed in our state. Having already excelled at their own high schools, these students joined together in Muncie, Indiana, to help lay the foundation for a community of diverse minds linked by a shared interest and enthusiasm for learning. They became the first class at the Indiana Academy for Science, Mathematics, and Humanities. Now, each fall, the Indiana Academy admits approximately 150 juniors into its program. Students must apply during their sophomore year and then attend the Academy for their final 2 years of high school. The Academy receives its funding from the state legislature, providing the cost of education, including housing and meals for each student. Parents are responsible for book rentals, transportation, and minor expenses for students' personal items. At the Academy, an equal emphasis is placed on math, science, and the humanities, allowing all academic interests to be represented. Students choose from more than 30 science courses, including cell and molecular biology, physics, and many other advanced classes. AP Calculus, AP Statistics, and differential equations are just a few of the classes offered within the math curriculum. More than 80 courses are included in the Humanities department, including classes in English, history, social sciences, fine arts, and 7 different foreign languages, including Japanese, Chinese, and Russian. Classes at the Academy are designed to enable students to understand the past, the present, and plan for the future. The traditional liberal arts and sciences are emphasized in required coursework. By keeping the average class size at 17 students, individual inquiry and discovery are stressed through all classes. This allows time for each student to explore new horizons of knowledge and produces an intellectual environment of independent study and practical experience. Furthermore, the small class sizes provide ample opportunity for students to have one-on-one contact with the outstanding faculty at the Academy. Students learn to think creatively and critically, communicate clearly, and act responsibly in an increasingly complex global society. Students enjoy the same breaks and vacations as traditional public high schools. Students are able to go home on the weekends, though most stay at the Academy and take part in various weekend activities. In addition, an extended weekend is provided for students to go home if there is not a natural holiday during the month. The Indiana Academy academic year consists of 2 semesters. The school year ends with an intensive 2-week May term, where students may take classes that are not normally offered during the regular school year, or have the opportunity to travel throughout the United States and abroad. Because the Academy is located on the Ball State University campus, the students are given all the privileges of BSU students. Each student has access to all the technological advanced facilities BSU has to offer, including Bracken Library, a 1.8 million volume research library, and several state-of-the-art computer labs. Indiana Academy provides a physical, intellectual, and social environment which allows students with exceptional academic abilities to thrive in an appropriate, exceptional learning community. No other high school can provide such an impressive educational environment. Being on a college campus has other benefits. As Indiana Academy students, you'll have access to educational facilities. You'll be paired with another Indiana Academy student and be given a double occupancy room in Wagner Hall, the residence hall specifically for Academy students. There you'll be able to bring items from home, such as stereos, televisions, VCRs, computers, small refrigerators, microwaves, and small pieces of furniture to decorate your room and transform it into your own living space. You won't feel alone during your transition to an Academy student. Student life counselors live on the floors with the students and will help with any questions or concerns you might have, as well as organize recreational events, extracurricular programs, and community service opportunities. As an Indiana Academy student, you'll also be able to participate in a countless number of extracurricular events and activities, both within the Academy and BSU. The Indiana Academy has more than 50 student organizations, as well as IHSAA sports teams, band, choir, the yearbook and newspaper staff, intramural sports, and special events such as Hall Olympics, dances, cookouts, and the prom. In addition to all the events and activities that are provided by the Academy, you're also invited to attend all activities provided by BSU, from football, basketball, volleyball games, to any theatrical production. You might want to visit the Art Museum, participate in an intramural sport team, or exercise in one of the facilities located on the campus after a hard day of classes.
One of the fascinating parts about the Indiana Academy is that it's made up of gifted students who never felt like they could be exactly who they are in their local schools. They want to strive, they want to pursue things to the extent that they can. They're quite often very passionate about things. So what happens is they come here and they say, for the first time in my life, I could be myself. I don't have to explain myself to other people. They know what it's like. I can pursue things of interest that may not have even existed in my high school. It's okay to be the person I am. And to experience that for the first time, that total acceptance for the person you are, is a very powerful experience. And I think that's what makes the environment of this place so special, is that the kids come here often feeling somewhat aberrant in their local community, and they get here and they're among 300 students who have given up some of the luxuries in life in order to be a very dedicated student. This is a terrific place to be if you're like that.
The Indiana Academy does not serve just those 300 juniors and seniors who reside at Wagner Hall. The Academy's Office of Outreach Programs has become a national leader in providing distance learning through its electronic field trips and on-air classes, extending its reach far beyond the Indiana Academy and Ball State University campus. Upon completion of the 2-year program, all Academy students are awarded the Indiana Academic Honors Diploma. Virtually 100% of Indiana Academy graduates attend a 4-year college or university. Each year's graduating class is offered approximately $1 million in scholarships. Academy alumni have enrolled in over 180 post-secondary institutions across the U.S. and around the world, and the benefits a student gains by attending the Indiana Academy do not stop with graduation.
The Academy also had got me accustomed to writing the college level papers. I was already familiar. I knew how to submit a paper that a professor was looking for. I knew how to write a research proposal. I knew the proper way to engage into an intellectual conversation. So when I came into a college atmosphere, the teacher was really appreciative of someone who was actually able to engage in the classroom. I was able to integrate myself into a number of programs at the university as an honors student. There was nothing less I felt that was adequate for me except to be an honors coming from the Academy. So it helped really prepare me to be my optimal best. It gave me my optimal potential, I feel, as an individual, as a college student. The Academy was probably one of the best decisions I had ever made in my academic life.
The lessons students learn at the Academy are not limited to academic ones. They are also very much life lessons. The Indiana Academy student learns to think creatively and critically, communicate clearly with a diverse population, and emerges from a highly intense primary education prepared to face the familiar challenges of a college or university setting. You too can be a part of this select few attending Indiana Academy. For more information, contact the Academy Admissions Office or speak to your own high school guidance counselor.